guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Know You Got Swag, aka GlambyVonne. Today I'm gonna be showing you this look that I was able to collaborate with my friend Talk with. It was amazing working with her. She has a beautiful soul, and I hope you guys like this tutorial that we both decided to work together on. If you have any questions or any comments, please do not forget to comment in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for joining us, and you're most definitely welcome. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're an OG, thank you for sticking out with me. I love you guys. So I'm applying orange corrector on her dark spots to cover all her dark spots. Then I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me foundation and just spread it all over her face. I'm spreading the foundation evenly onto her skin. Make sure it's properly distributed over her face. Here I'm going in with a concealer. I'm just going to highlight the highlighted areas, which is on her eyes, her forehead, the bridge of her nose, and under her lips. Her chin. Then I'm using a damp beauty blender to make sure it's properly blended in. Guys, here you have to blend properly. Make sure that's properly blended in so you can get a flawless look. I'm going over the concealer with a powder. I believe I'm using the Sasha Buttercup powder so that the concealer doesn't crease. And I'm filling in her eyebrows with the LA Girl eyebrow pencil in dark brown. I know it appears to look black, but it's actually black brown, dark brown, I mean. Here I'm using the Makeup Addiction palette that I collected, and I just put it in that palette, in the Z palette. I'm going over with the concealer. It's gonna serve as my eye primer. Then I'm using a Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to use a fluffy brush to blend that in with the transition color. And here I'm lining her eyes with a dark liner, and I'm using the same eyeshadow to blend the dark liner. I'm contouring her face with black opal. I'm using a stippling brush to make sure that it's evenly, it's really blended in. For some reason I find that stippling brush actually works perfectly for me when it comes to blending in the contour. I'm using the Makeup Revolution palette, the highlighter palette, to highlight her face. See that glow, guys? Do you see that glow? Just highlight everywhere that I highlighted previously with the concealer. Using the e.l.f. blush palette. For her lips, we are using ColourPop, I believe Friday. brush to spread the lipstick evenly onto her lips. And I'm using the concealer to clean out any fallout of the lipstick. This is the finished look, guys. If you love it, please do not forget to hit that like button down below. And if you're new, thank you for checking us out. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Until we see you again, have a blessed day.